Chosen 7x7 here, today with another tasty treat. Today I have to share with everyone the Kershaw Boa. Isn't that something? The Kershaw Boa, model number 1580. This is a speed safe assist knife, liner lock, aluminum handles, aircraft aluminum handles. The blade has a length of 3.25 inches. Blade steel S60V. S60V, premium steel. Very nice design, very ergonomic. Tip up, tip down. Sweet blade. Has a titanium nitride coated blade. And the reason I bought this is because of the steel itself is a premium S60V. I'm not particularly fond of speed safe or spring assist type knives, but yes, I do own a few. But this one, it actually retails for about 120 bucks. It has an additional lock here to prevent opening by accident. It's a great blade, the Kershaw Boa, model 1580. The weight on this is 4.9 ounces. Excellent blade, excellent EDC, and $120, I wouldn't be too sick about losing it, but I would be sick, folks. Hope you like this one. In the meantime, have a good day, folks. This is Chosen 7x7. Peace.